There are 3 types of valas in the city, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I have seen
3
some balas wearing different clothes.
Valas, not balas. WALA
अरे
apostrophe S.
होते हैं ना
Oh,
लोग
okay,
वैसा।
okay, valas. I said valas. Okay,
3 valas, 3 valas.
all right.
Mithai valas, Dimag valas, and thirdly, Bhosri valas.
Travels and all.
What's up,
Then
putos? What's up?
ये कौन है भाई?
Oi, what's up?
what's up?
Putos is not our car, man. Putos.
Yeah, that's
our
my car.
man. Who are you, bro?
I must say, Putos, excellent car.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Who are you?
Warren, are you those guys who just fucked balas at the palitos? Are you those guys?
Yeah, we are.
Now, how did you get to know?
इसे कैसे पता चल गया?
हाँ, मुझे नहीं पता.
How
How did
did
you
you
know?
get-
I saw that car and also saw that car there also.
Oh, you have so many eyes, I think.
Putos, I was just looking for my descendants. You know who I am, Puto?
Who are you?
I'm not sure. Who are you?
What's that on your back?
What is
Turn around, turn
your
around.
name?
My name is Luis. You can call me
Luis.
Baba Yaga.
Baba Yaga.
Baba
All right.
Turn
Yaga.
around, turn around, turn around.
Yeah, Puto.
What's this Vagos?
Oh.
You know.
अबे ये are you
Puto.
are you from Mexico? I mean, I
First
believe
tell
that
me,
you-
Putos, are you the same guys who just fucked balas there?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
You
Yes.
know, I was looking for those men who just fucked those bastards.
But
You know that?
we haven't said this to anybody else, okay? So
How
keep
did you get
this
to know that
between-
one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw this car there also. So I thought just to ask you.
Oh.
Okay.
What
So
do you
you're
do,
wearing-
guys? Yeah, I'm from Vagos. I'm the
Yeah.
last descendant of Vagos in the city, man.
You are not the last descendant. We are the last descendant.
Easy.
Yes. We shifted from
पहले
Mexico.
ये बता दो कि क्या है वागोस?
Yeah. Can you please tell
अरे
me?
मैंने लोगों ने
अब
बताया
बताओ
ना।
तो ना पूछो
मुझे तो नहीं बताया.
अरे मेरे दादाजी मेक्सिको के लोगों ने बताया मैंने. सो वो वहाँ से एस्केप करके यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो गए थे ना लॉस एंटोस में.
Okay.
एंड फिर यहाँ पे मेरे पापा और फिर मैं. सो बेसिकली
अरे इंग्लिश में बोल, शायद इसके टकले के ऊपर जा रहा है.
So yeah, like my grandfather was from
माय अंग्रेजी
Mexico.
ओके पूतो
Yeah.
Listen. My grandfather was from Mexico, and he shifted in I guess 1980 or 1970. I'm not sure. He shifted in Los Santos back in those days. So my father my father was from here only, and I born here only.
योर नेम ऑफ द फादर मिस्टर पूतो
Carlos.
इज
My
दैट
father name,
बेबी
right?
कार्लोस
What is baby car?
I mean, like his college friends used to call him Baby Carlos.
How is baby Carlos doing these days? Last I heard he was badly injured in the war.
Yeah, he's no more, my friend. He's no more.
Oh my god. He was
He got-
such a great man. Are you
He
his
got,
descendant?
He is. I'm not.
Yes,
He is.
I'm his son.
And who are you?
I'm his
We are-
good friend, and we are brothers.
I am honored. I am so honored to meet baby Carlos' son. He was like
Nice
an
to
elder brother to me.
मैंने बोला था ना अच्छी होगी,
I'm
अच्छी
sorry for
होगी,
the loss.
एक स्टोरी होगी.
He got
बोला
an
था ना,
accident.
एंजॉय करो अभी.
He was in a chopper and just give me that getting call. I'm really sorry.
One for the down, homie. You will be missed, baby Carlos.
So, like, what do you do nowadays?
Actually, we were in the last
Scripted
fight.
नहीं है.
And this
Scripted से
fucking
इतना है कि बस
police
ये
ambushed us.
आएगा.
You know?
Okay.
Fuck the police, ya bitches.
So where do you live now? I've never seen you around.
I'll keep my icon Toto profile. I
Eh?
don't go out around streets so much.
So where do you live? Where do you sleep? Where do you
Arey, I
eat?
gave the radio to Bosa, okay?
No, 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 no,
नहीं
no.
नहीं 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 नहीं
No, no,
नहीं,
no, no,
नहीं।
no, no.
पक्का?
No,
हाँ पक्का
no.
पक्का।
अच्छा अच्छा okay.
It's all between us.
Also, where I
मता
live,
मना
where
कर दो।
we family used to roam and everything. Puto. So, are you also some
You guys
descendants of
continue.
Vagos members?
No, we are his good friends. We both are brothers.
You know,
Well,
lots of good people shed their blood to keep the reputation of the name which I'm wearing, Puto.
Vagos.
so what, like, what is Vagos? Like, I'm not sure about that. Like, can
Who
you
is this?
please,
दत्ता
like,
है दत्ता है
you know,
दत्ता है दत्ता है दत्ता
you and
character.
Dexter was trying to explain me that, but I'm still not sure because I have seen some wall arts over some places.
Yeah, my
Yeah,
father
even
used to like play.
यहाँ
yeah,
पर भी है।
We like
ये
we
बीच
used
पे
to
I'm not
live
बेंच
sure.
पे भी है। बीच पे बेंच पे भी है।
अरे we used to live here, bro. When I was a kid, I used to like come to this beach, and that's all I remember now.
We were
I
one
was
of the
like-
largest Mexican cartel handling the
Cartel?
street boys. The Balas used to respect us. Nobody used to dare fucking challenge us.
That Balas
But
was
that
staying
damn
in Grove Street.
imposter. Yeah, we fucked them inside out
दत्ता
many
हाँ
times,
दत्ता
Puto.
दत्ता दत्ता।
There was
Oh my
nothing in
God.
front of us. We was the
Alright.
all
स्टोरी
power of
आएगी।
the
हाँ तो बस
city,
एंजॉय
man.
करो।
But that fucking imposter, Lawrence, he fucked us inside out, man. He was a mole. He started working with the PD and gave all the information to the policia.
Oh.
And
So what are you
policia,
doing
with the
right
help
now?
of Balos,
It's
he
like
fucked
Lawrence.
them. Yeah, Lawrence, man.
Oh.
Don't worry, I've already taken care of him.
All right.
Guys,
His
heart
body
spam.
lies there
Heart
at the
spam in
home
the
near
chat
the
box.
barrio, man.
Barrio.
What is Barrio?
You don't know barrio, homie?
What is
Nope.
Barrio? No,
We
don't
only know this place, brother.
You know, like
Barrio
few
is our
places.
home, man.
Okay,
Barrio is
so
our home. Okay.
where is your home?
Your
then?
home, you mean?
I haven't like.
Got some wheels, putos.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
we
are.
have wheels now.
Yeah, these are
Mind
wheels.
passing me the keys. I'll take you there.
Sure. What?
Yep.
Friendship, puto.
Get
Hop
in,
on.
get in. I'll-
Make sure
yeah.
nothing comes in between your friendship. Because if something comes between your friendship, consider it to be an end of the family, puto. That's what happened to us.
Oh, Lawrence.
Yeah, that beach, Lawrence, Wakad. Welcome to the barrio, puto.
Ah, this is Jamestown, I guess.
This is our home, puto.
Oh, so this is bar. So what does Barrio mean? Is it a English word?
Barrio. Yeah, we gave a name to this houses, puto.
So this is not English word then.
No,
And
no.
what does Barrio mean?
Barrio is just your home, puto.
All right. So you call this place Barrio?
Yeah, we gave this name Barrio, our home. Ab the
Who is
reason
this
for
lady
making
over
this
भाई
home.
मुझे तो वो graffiti पसंद आया देख उधर. I like the
Yeah,
graffiti.
that was a
Horrible.
lady goddess mother. Like every war we used to win was just because of her blessings, puto.
Oh, that's nice.
Our blessings were always with the family, puto. She always bestowed her blessing over the family.
So
Just,
Right.
I have a question. I have a question.
Go ahead, puto, go ahead.
Only secret people knows my father's name, Baby Carlos. Nobody knows this word, Baby Carlos. How do you know that? That's all I have to
Because
ask.
I used to ride with Baby Carlos. Baby Carlos taught me how to fire a gun. We used to ride together and die together. But sadly, that day, I was injured in the battle. I could not take it anymore. But that Baby Carlos took me to the safety. He left me with a grandma who took care of me. And since then, I have nowhere about his location or something like that. I tried contacting my family members, but there were no one there. I came here, but only few people were standing in the cycles. They failed to tell their exact name or locations. So I had to go. I thought there was no one left in the family. Since that day, I'm trying to look for the people to replace our legacy. And that day, when I came to know that you were the guys who fucked Balas, I wanted to meet you guys in person, but I had no knowledge. But luckily, that car got my attention, Puto.
all right. So this This
Yeah,
tyrant.
puto. Yeah, puto, yeah.
Alright.
My father has 7 cars and all were in yellow, so that's the only reason we.
Yeah, puto, yellow is our color, bro. Yellow is what we are. As or girls or cheeks. We always ensured. When
आने
the
मारा है
time used
आपको.
to come, we were ready for a war. No matter what the situation is, no matter what happens. This is the Jamestown. And now I'll take you to that beaches place on Groove Street.
भाई ये बालास के पास लेके जा रहा है.
अरे उसको बोलो भाई. बोलो भाई. हम लोग बहुत
This
कम है, अभी कुछ ना
beach
कर दे.
killed my family.
अरे.
गरम हो गया भाई, गाली वाली दे रहा.
अरे. What happened?
Take this, you piece of seeds. Your dad is here. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's be together, man.
क्या
In
लेट्स
the name
गो.
of Vagos.
पूरे जगह पे फैलाओ.
चलो टैक्सी आ जाओ.
You have some big bladders, I must say. You pee a lot. Fucking balas
There
don't
were
deserve to
lot
be
of
here.
painters as well.
आया
People
आ
like
रहा हूँ.
to use
That
graffiti.
was the time, Puto. We used to make graffitis at night. But
Pretty cool,
sadly,
I must
now
say.
no one used graffitis. I don't know why.
Pretty cool, I must say.
Now people like you only go for girls, Babu Sona, and these type of seed putos. We used to walk. We used to do romance and everything. But we made sure their identity was not unknown to people.
Not known.
Because not known. Because if they came to know about our name, then they directly used to come for our family.
Okay, you guys are inside, right?
Because they were so cowards,
Yeah.
they could not even stand us direct
Wait.
stand to have to face us directly.
They oiled my whole body for the shoot.
Because
So
what
then
if we are
all
not
crowded
there,
around
Puto?
the
We are
set.
out of city to do some business. They go to our homes, they shoot people
take
down.
this.
Y'all paying
Take
my
this.
day rate. I'm trying to get
Keep it. I don't
No, I'm
need
with
it.
you. I can hear you. I think it's better if they hear as well.
What was the frequency, Puto?
30, 63, 69.
63, 69. Yep.
Yeah, you just passed my test, Puto. You're good with numbers.
Oh, thank you.
We used to sit here, we used to chill here
Alright.
with all the girls and everything. But make sure, whenever you are bringing someone close to your, no one else will find about your real identity, Puto. Because if they do, when you are not in city to take the responsibility, they'll directly come to your hood and target them.
I got it.
दत्ता से मारा चार में आया.
Yeah, Puto.
So like what you guys used to do at that time? Like how do you used to earn money? How do you used to live your life?
You know cocaine, Puto.
Yeah, I know cocaine. Like I got
There
got
is
it
a
from some
reason-
houses from the
There
south
is
side.
a reason that this entire area has only one branding under the name. That is Vagos. We used to control the cocaine business in the city. Get the fact.
Alright.
And at that time, the area were won by blood. You will have to shed blood if you need to hold off that area. So be sure you are mentally prepared. Because if you are not, the opposition will be.
Some balas wearing different
Valas,
clothes.
Valas, not Balas. WALA apostrophe.
अरे
S.
होते हैं ना
Oh,
लोग.
okay, Valas. I said Valas. Okay.
Three Valas.
Alright.
Mithai Valas, Dimag Valas, and thirdly, Bhosri Valas. Make sure you stay safe from them and you don't interact with them because you don't know They'll even recognize you when you are in your full disguise outfit. So that you will have to keep in mind, Putos,
All right.
not to risk your family when it comes to business. And we Vagos don't involve families when we do business.
Got it. So like
अरे रे रे रे
the main thing
बेटा
I was
आया
having a
chat में
discussion
बेटा
with Dexter, like if you like, where do you guys actually used to live? Like this place or in
guys
Baguio?
like करो सब्सक्राइब
We
करो
had all the houses under our territory, man.
All
When
right.
we used to control cocaine, we had this area embarked under us. We made sure there's no one else who used to come to this area to sell their cocaine until and unless they seek permission from us.
Got it. So this area, like the people over here,
और
like
बेटा
they're addicted to cocaine. So you guys used to
Obvio,
deal
obvio.
with them, right?
Yeah, cocaine used to have lot of money. Yeah.
It still have money. Still, like literally, too much.
But make sure cops should not know who you people are.
Yeah.
You should never be caught with cocaine in front of the cops because cops will come marching down your homes. They'll search inside out.
So
So
have
you
you
will be
he-
some
have you heard
इनको
that priority देना है? So yeah, that's all I can say.
अभी 24 आना बाकी है
कुछ नाम सजेस्ट करोगे या
किसका नाम
Hmm.
फिलहाल तो मैं लिटरली बताऊं मतलब 2 नाम के अलावा मेरे को और कोई नाम समझ नहीं आ रहे एंड जो भी मैंने आंखों से देखा है ठीक है एक
और-
पान
फिलहाल
वाला
के-
भी है पान वाला अपने सब लोगों के साथ ही रहता है मोस्टली
This is one guy.
हाँ,
फिर
मैं 2
बोशा
नाम दूं मैं
बोसा का शूटिंग
अच्छा।
अच्छा है और वो पैसे वैसे भी कमा लेता है पर थोड़ा एटीट्यूड प्रॉब्लम कहीं ना कहीं आ जाता है उसको
We need
ठीक
to tell them. We need to
हाँ
tell
मैं
them.
तो
We need
मैं
to
बता
train
रहा
them.
हूँ मैं तो वो है फिर आज चौबे का मेरे को सबको झाड़ना बहुत अच्छा लगा कि भाई जो है वो सीधा है
यार
जो भी
मैं-
है मुंह पे है
मैं चौबे का नाम लूंगा क्योंकि
हाँ,
अगर
तो
वो मुझे
वही।
नहीं बचाता आज तो आज पता नहीं मेरे साथ क्या होता
हाँ
But the
तो
thing is
मुझे-
like, one more thing I want to say. I respect like Chob's decision and all, but he is new, right?
Yep,
Give
but
him some
उसने
time.
आज-
Yeah, I
ये तो
understand.
हाँ।
Give him some
हाँ
time.
वही टाइम
थोड़ा
देंगे
सा time दो.
या आई वुड सजेस्ट हिज नेम एज वेल
Yeah, it's okay, fine. I also would have suggested because मैं और चौबे एक साथ बैठे थे. हम लोगों को पता है हम लोग कैसे shoot किया. I know his abilities. I know his capability, but
वही पर टाइम लगेगा
him
उसको
some
थोड़ा
time.
मैं कर रहा हूँ मेरी दोस्ती अच्छी बन रही है उससे
yeah, that's you.
साला
हाँ।
मेरी ले रहा था मेरी जैसे दोस्ती करके लेता हूँ मैं उसको कल वो है और मार्टिन का भाई कम्युनिकेशन स्किल गैप बहुत ज़्यादा है बट हाँ ही इज़ अ गुड गाय मतलब वो काम करके दे सकता है तुम्हें
Yeah.
बाकी
We'll
तो लोगों
Do
का
side
not
by
sure.
side, like
वो जो
rubbers का जैसे
नैतिक का
चल रहा
था
है.
वो तो मुझे बात भी हुआ ही नहीं है अभी तक तो आई
नैतिक के साथ- नैतिक के साथ रुक जा.
मैं जस्ट मिला भी नैतिक से आते हुए
अरे वो पहले उन लोगों के साथ घूमता था ना भाई उसके पता नहीं उन लोगों के साथ क्या भी
हाँ।
कुछ बताया नहीं उसने तो अभी ऐसे कैसे अपन फ्रेंड सर्कल में इन्वॉल्व करे
ठीक है, तुम
बुला
लोग
लो
बात
उसको
कर ले.
बात करना है तो
अभी नहीं वो सो रहा है. नैतिक